Hi, BrenTech here, where tech is made simple. So up until recently, as you may well know, it's been possible to activate a Windows copy using a telephone. And this has been useful if you don't have an active internet connection, obviously. Now, over the last couple of days, there have been reports doing the rounds online that Microsoft had removed the phone activation method. And I didn't post because there were conflicting reports. But nonetheless, I can now tell you that Microsoft has acknowledged that it is no longer possible to activate a Windows copy through and using a telephone. Now, this is all according to a Microsoft spokesperson, who is Microsoft's group product manager, who has said that Microsoft has removed the ability to activate Windows using a phone, and this deprecation took place on the 3rd of December last year, 2025. Now, up until this change, it did provide a convenient way to activate Windows, especially as mentioned if you had no access to the internet, and for activating long unsupported Windows versions. Now, if you attempt now to call the offline activation by phone, what's going to happen is you're going to get a computer-generated voice telling you, and I'm quoting, "Support for product activation has moved online. For the fastest and most convenient way to activate your product, please visit our online product activation portal," which is this website. And you would click on Let's Get Started and follow the prompts. Now, according to Microsoft, an offline activation does still remain available. But Microsoft says you would need a second device with an active internet connection to log into the online activation portal, which is this portal as mentioned. And this also means that if you have an older version of Windows that is no longer supported, this also means that the official activation of those older versions, for whatever reason you might have to activate an old copy of Windows that's out of support, it does complicate the process not being able to phone and activate that copy of Windows, because phone activation now is no longer available according to Microsoft. And just wanted to put it out there if you would be affected. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.